Welcome to Harvey Cooper Cars. This is our 2021 71 plate Range Rover Sport HSE Silver D300, finished in the Firenze Red. It's covered 34,000 miles, is a one owner example, comes with a full service history. Just starting at the front, you can see we've got that dark atlas to the front grille, the Range Rover lettering, LED headlights, interspersed with the gloss black styling. We've got 21-inch diamond turned alloy wheels, fixed side steps with black contrasting elements, black mirror caps. It's got the black contrast roof, keyless entry, the lovely dark atlas on the door handles there, and then inside you can see the lovely sliding panoramic roof, the Ebony Windsor leather interior, electrically adjustable front seats. You've got heated steering wheel, the front seats are heated. You've even got a front center console cooler compartment, air suspension, so you can raise and lower it as you like, a reversing camera, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You've even got a hidden compartment underneath the cup holders, which is nice to have. The interactive driver display, and of course the Meridian sound system, which is incredible. Privacy glass to the rear, and also being the HSE Silver, you do get heated rear seats with two USB-C ports. Moving round to the back, the twin tailpipes with, again, more of the dark atlas styling. You've got an automatic electrically powered tailgate with lots of boot space, of course, and the adaptive air suspension, so you can lower the lower suspension to make it easier to load items into the boot. You've got ambient lighting inside as well. And this lovely paintwork. So if you'd like any more details on our Range Rover Sport HSE Silver, please don't hesitate to get in touch.